I am Mr. Kayila once more from Siafunda doing the topic called the financial maths. I want us to look at the topic of calculating the balance. But before the balance, I want us to look at these few problems here. This is taken from November 2010 examination. The first part says, Timothy buys a furniture valued at 10,000. What I like about financial maths, it talks about real issues. Now, I want us to see what happens when you find specials, mostly around September, October. You'll find a number of furniture shops saying you buy now and you'll pay your first installment in January or in February. Now, they don't tell you that as you take the furniture home in October or in November, you'll be paying even for those months that you are not going to be paying for them, because the amount of your loan will go up when you don't pay for them, when you don't do those regular payments. So this is a very important topic that it teaches us a lot of things as we grow up in our lives. So these are real life situations. So what happens when you buy a furniture and you don't pay for it for a certain number of months, the value of that loan will go up drastically. Let's look at this topic. This guy, Timothy, buys a furniture worth 10,000 rand. He borrows the money from a particular financial institution on 1 February 2010 at a rate of 9.5% per annum compounded monthly. Timothy will pay the installments of 450 monthly, but Timothy will start paying on 1 August 2010. Let us collect our data just from this information. Timothy buys a furniture valued at 10,000. I don't know what that is, but I know it is the price of this furniture. So the price, in this particular case, the price, it is 10,000. 1, 2, 3. The price of this furniture. He borrows the money on 1 February 2010 at a rate of, I've got the rate, I've got my I. My I is what? It is 9.5%. So it's over 100. Compounded monthly, another 12. So it's divided by 1,200. So it's over 100 and over 1,200. Altogether is 1,200. Remember, the 12 is for the months that we have in a year. Right. Timothy will pay installments, regular payments, of 450 rand. What is that? But denote that as X. So the installments is 450. So this Timothy buys a furniture worth 10,000. He'll be paying 450 every month. Remember, this is the loan, the PV, present value. You've got the loan with you. You are paying for something that you have. So it's no longer future value where I pay for something that I will get in future. I have the furniture now, so it is PV. So these are the installments, monthly installments. But Timothy will start paying on 1 August 2010. He will start paying on 1 August 2010. When did he borrow this money? He borrowed this money on 1 February 2010. When will this Timothy start to pay for this loan? It is 1 August 2010. Now the question is, how many months did he miss not doing the payments? Remember, when you borrow it on 1 February 2010, you must pay on 1 March. So this Timothy did not pay the installment on 1 March, April, May, June, July. You will only pay in August. Let's do this again. This guy, Timothy, bought a furniture worth 10,000 on 1 February. He was supposed to pay the first 450 on 1 March, did not pay it. April did not pay. May did not pay. June did not pay. July did not pay. August he pays. So how many months did he miss payments? It is 5 months. So make note that the amount of months that he did not pay is 5 months. This is where he missed his installments. Right. Let's read the first question that is being asked of us here. Calculate the total amount owing at the financial institution on 1 July 2010 during these 5 months. Before he pays in the 6th month, how much is he owing? Remember that the amount of furniture at the moment is 10,000. As you are not paying for the furniture, the value of the loan will go up. Let us calculate that. Remember, at this moment, there are no regular payments being paid. So there is no value of X there. So I can't go and use the future value or the present value formula, because those two formula, they use X, the installments, which in this case is 450. But at this time, between 1 February and July, this guy had not paid in July. Timothy did not pay any cents, so there were no installment being paid here. So we can't use those ones. So we go and use the compound interest formula, which says A is equals to P into 1 plus I raised to the power n. Right, we want to know how much will this guy be owing this financial institution in 1 July. Right, we are looking for that amount of money that he owes. How much was the loan worth? It was worth 10,000. It is 10, 1, 2, 3. 1 plus. Do I know the interest rate? Yes, I do know the interest rate. It is 9,5 over 1,200. It is 9,5 over 1,200. Do I know how many months he missed? Yes, I do know how many months he missed. He missed about 5 months. Remember, 1 February, he's only paying in August, so he missed about 5 months. So that's 5 from. So from here on, you just go straight to your calculator, and your calculator will tell you how much will Timothy be owing as of 1 July 2010. Let's do this together. Why do I use plus? Because the amount of loan is growing. It's growing. As you not pay for your loan, you'll be paying more if you skip your installments. So the moral of this section is make sure that you pay your dues on time. Let's calculate this together. So what we have, the total amount will be 10,000. In this case, it's 10, 1, 2, 3. The next thing I see there is the bracket. Your eyes are the most important tool. After the bracket, there is a 1. After a 1, there is a plus. After a plus, there is a fraction. So I go to a fraction bracket. My numerator is 9,5. 9,5. Then I go to my denominator, which I see 1,200, 1,200. Then I go out and close that bracket. And that is raised to the power 5. So it's x5. It is raised to the power 5. Right, that's what I'm looking for. So what is the total amount that it owes? It is 10,402 rand. Let's write it down. This guy owes 10,402,15051. But you usually round off to two decimal places, so it will be 10,402,15. This is the amount of money that Timothy will be owing before you even pay for your installments, because you skip about 5 installments, then your loan is no longer 10,000, it is 10,402.15. Thank you.